Millions of women feel broken after childbirth. Their body often feels unrecognizable. Some call it a pooch. Some call it mummy tummy. Technically, it's called diastasis recti, or abdominal separation. The most common cause is pregnancy, but anything that bulges the abdomen forward can overstretch the connective tissue, causing the muscles to separate. Back pain, urinary leaking, and pelvic prolapse often accompany abdominal separation. This condition can linger for years after birth. Women are often told the only solution is surgery, or they turn to traditional core workouts that can worsen the condition. Every mother offers a different approach, a clinically proven therapeutic exercise program. Proven workouts, constant evolution. We are every mother.